Look at how clear the sky is out here. Look at the moon. It's clear out here, man. It's just something about them coals burning, just so relaxing. Sitting out here watching the food cook. Listen to the food. You hear it? It's cooking, man. You hear it? Damn. He killed himself, mama. Be on tiro. He on tiro. I can cook with anything. Wood, charcoal, trash. All you gotta do is wrap it up in the foil. You cook anything, man, with anything. You better fight out anything and cook with it. Just wrap it up in foil real good, and it's not gonna hurt your food. No, I can smell the peppers and the onions and the squash, and I got potatoes. I got green beans, all that in it. All them veggies just wrapped in one with two pieces of chicken and some butter. Just wrapped in one. Can't wait till it's done. I had a late start today. I started cooking late. That's why it's dark right now. I usually cook in the daytime because it's dark out here and can't really see none of the any kind of animals, anything sneaking up on you. Because they smell that food. They can smell the food miles away. So it's not real smart to be cooking in the dark. But it's almost done. Probably another 20 minutes. And that should be done. See, another 15, 20 minutes. Nice bit of coals and then cooking it. What was that? Did you hear that? What was that? I don't see anything, but I heard it. That's what I mean by cooking out here in the dark. You don't know what's